Hello, lovelies. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you had a wonderful time today. Well, I did have time. My time was fine. It was cool. It was interesting. Okay. So today we're making a requested video from one of my subscribers. Thank you so much. Okay. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and always having the time to watch my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscription button where you have to help me grow my channel. To be welcome and become part of the family. Well, like I said, today we're making a much requested video, and it's going to be Ofe Nsala. Ofe Nsala, prepared by the Easterners in Nigeria. Okay. Now, one YouTuber which I follow, Chinyere, I like the way she described it. She said it's ofogo. It means the soup we prepare when an in-law comes to marry. So we're going to be preparing the soup today. It's a simple recipe. Ofe Nsala can also be called white soup. It's called white soup because we don't add palm oil when we make this special delicacy. Well, we're going to be using every other type of ingredients, apart from palm oil. Now, since I'm part of Nigeria, I'm also going to add perewinkle. Yes, I always add perewinkle to all my soups. Alright, so basically the ingredients we're using are, this is otazi. This is the bitter leaf. We're not going to use all of them. We're only going to use about, just say 3 or 4 leaves because it's bitter. This one is bitter. Then this one will have to add probably all of them. We're not sure now until we get the food rolling. Then we have crayfish and ogiri. This is ogiri. Okay, it's locust beans. It's ogiri. We're using fresh pepper, and we're also going to be using fish. In absence of fish, you can use any beef of your choice, but I don't know why people think it's more interesting and more tasty if you use catfish. I don't know, I'm yet to find that, but I think they are right. And we are going to be using yam. Yes, yam is a thickener for the soup. So I'm going to prep everything and we'll start the process. So if you want to wash your catfish, it's quite easy. All you have to do is add the boiling hot water to it. And the slime, when you wash, you can see the slime is going off. So all you have to do is either you use a knife or you use a hard sponge, a sponge that is a little bit soft. But I basically use my hands. I don't use any hard sponge or anything. You can see it's going off. You can see the slimes are going off. So that's the way you wash the catfish. I'm washing the fish, so I'm going to be prepping with seasoning. To be adding 2 seasoning cubes. I'm going to add salt. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of my fresh pepper. Yeah, a little bit of it. And I'll add a little water. Just little. Set it right on the. So you can see the yam is cooked. So now we're going to. At this point, you can either use a mortar or you can blend. But I'll use a mortar. So at this point, I've been cooking this fish for the past 10 minutes and I don't want it to break at all. Oh no, I don't want it to break. So I'm going to quietly scoop it out quietly remove them. Just take your time, do it gently from the pot. I'm done with the fish, removing the fish from the pot. So this is the stock from the fish. So I'm going to add the one from the yam. Now if you think what you have is not going to be enough, you add. Remember, the soup is not usually is not all that a small soup, something you can eat today, cook today and finish the next day. So this is just okay and perfect for me. So we're going to set it on the fire. So you can see my yam is being pounded. So adding crayfish, I'm adding my pepper, give it a stir, and I'll set it on the fire. So we're adding the yam in bits. Close it and let it boil until it thickens. See? Wow! So it's been boiling beautifully. So we're going to stir. Can you see it? Oh, did you see? It looks so good. So at this very moment, you're going to do your tasting. Okay? Make sure you have your salt in the right proportion. If you don't have enough salt, you're going to add your salt at this very moment. Salt was not all that enough, so I've added more salt. So at this moment, we are adding the star ingredients for the day, which is the ogiri. The ogiri into the okay. It looks beautiful. Don't you see? Yes. All right, the second star ingredient coming in, which is our perewinkle. So I've also chopped my otazi. Remember otazi? This is the bitter one, and this is the pepperish one. So we need this one more and this less. So you need the otazi less, and you need the Uziza more. That's if you understand me, okay? All right. So the bitter one less, the pepperish one more, okay? Or you can make of the same proportion. Yeah, proportion. That's right, correct? All right. So we're going to add it now to what we are cooking. And we're going to give it a stir. We're going to let it boil for another 10 minutes or 5 minutes. We're going to reintroduce our fish into the soup. So you have to do it quietly. I'm actually using smaller fishes. That's what I could find in my local market around me here. So that's why I'm very gentle with the fish. So they don't ask you, why is the fish you use in cooking the soup? So I'll add the last vegetable and just let it cook for 2 to 5 minutes and the soup is ready. Be careful when you stir